Looking to upgrade your Jeep Liberty's audio system without hassle? The right wiring harness can make all the difference. With OEM quality terminals, this harness guarantees the most secure connection between your amplifier and head unit, so you get flawless sound every time. One customer rated it 9 out of 10 after installing it on a 1998 ZJ with a premium Infinity system. They swapped the factory head unit for an affordable Kenwood model and only had a small challenge figuring out the remote turn-on wire. A bit of trial, error, and online research quickly solved it, proving the harness's compatibility and reliability. From an expert's perspective, having the correct parts on hand is crucial for a smooth installation. When the harness for a Jeep Liberty with a factory amp wasn't immediately available, swift shipping saved the day. This quick delivery helped keep the project on track and the customer satisfied. What you get with this wiring harness is peace of mind. The OEM quality terminals ensure your connections won't loosen or fail over time, protecting your investment in both your vehicle and audio system. That's why happy customers keep coming back for repeat business. The package dimensions: 286 centimeters in height, 542 centimeters in length, and 192 centimeters in width, make it easy to handle and install without bulky excess. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a DIY enthusiast, this harness fits right in your toolkit. If you're ready to upgrade your Jeep Liberty's sound system, this harness is worth a look. It bridges the gap between your factory amp and aftermarket head unit with confidence and precision. Try it when you're ready to experience a cleaner, more reliable audio connection. Fast shipping and top-tier quality mean you won't have to wait long to hear the difference. Secure your audio upgrade today with a wiring harness designed to fit your Jeep Liberty perfectly. It's a small part that makes a big impact. Don't let wiring issues hold back your sound.